Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's talk about my relaunch. Oh my goodness. It's been a week now. What's today's date? What's today's date? Okay, so today's 21st of January 2025. It has been a week since I relaunched my business. If you're new here, my name is Tare, and I have a growing business here in Ghana called Ladies and Scarves, where the core of my business is scarves. I do sell other items as well, but the core of it is scarves. So let's talk about my relaunch. Last year, I talked about how this year is going to be for Ladies and Scarves fully. Then again, if you're new here, I decided to turn my side business to my full-time business. So that's why I am here to, okay, my hairbrush, let me take it out. So I'm here to talk about how the relaunch went. It has been a beautiful 1 week. I really thank God that it has been a positive feedback so far, so good. So first and foremost, I want to say this. Anything in your life that will eliminate stress, right? Do it. Anything that will save you time, eliminate stress, help your mental health, help you focus, do it. Just do it. So the main reason why I decided to relaunch is because I want my customers to know that right now I do not take manual orders anymore, and that all my orders are now directed to my website. Let me show you guys the scarf. So this is a dupe for Fendi Cashmere, and it's a good dupe. Yeah, so this is also part of the things that I sell on Ladies and Scarves, but I stopped bringing dupes. I just feel like I have outgrown that phase. There are other items to bring, but this is just left with this one, and a customer ordered it, and it will be going to the customer shortly. So this is what it looks like. So it's a very good dupe for a Fendi Cashmere. It's a two-sided, but not so much difference, but it's very beautiful. Yeah, so I just wanted to quickly touch on that because it's on my desk. Okay, so let's talk about this relaunch. So I wanted to eliminate stress, like I said. I wanted a situation whereby customers do not have to queue and wait for me to get back to them on WhatsApp or on Instagram or calls. It was just getting really stressful as my customer base was growing. Sometimes I wake up in the morning, a lot of messages to attend to, and as I'm attending to them, more messages are coming up. Some days I just leave my phone aside to just take a break. So I realized that manual ordering was no longer my forte. I have grown from that. So I decided to relaunch. Why I say relaunch is because I was doing the whole website thing before my website crashed. Even before the website crashed, people were complaining. They said, I don't know, they prefer buying things via mobile money if you're here in Ghana, Momo, or they send money to your bank. It was just a long process for me. And I also wanted the customer to enjoy the new process. So the few things I did that made my relaunch a success, like it has been a success, because for my business, I set goals for every quarter and make sure that I break these goals down to say, okay, what is a weekly goal like? What is a daily goal like? So I broke it down. And for the single fact that I relaunched the website on the 14th of January, it's just been a week. So far, so good. We're smashing our targets and we're smashing our goals. So the things I did, to make sure that this relaunch was a success, I mentioned in my past videos as well what I did to make sure it was a success. I kept on mentioning this to my customers. I kept on posting about it. Every day I was talking about why we're moving fully to website, why they need to shop on the website. I kept on mentioning the dates over and over again, and I just kept on hammering on it. I also did a free delivery thing for orders above 300 cities so that people can come on the website to shop. So I did all of this, and on the 14th, when when the website went live, we had a good amount of orders, and it really warmed my heart to see that people saw reasons why we moved to the website and why they should shop on the website. However, there's been a downside to it a little bit. So now some people will come and say, oh, I want to buy this item. And politely we ask them, please kindly shop on the website, da 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 da. Some will say, oh no, I want to pay via mobile money. So I have said this thing over and over again. If you have rules in your business, if you do not respect our rules, nobody else will respect it. So imagine after I have launched the website and you come in again to say, oh, you're not comfortable buying from the website, you want to do manual order, and I break the rule. It means I do not respect my business first. I do not respect the rules that have been placed, and I'm breaking this rule. My battery is on 10%, and I'm breaking this rule, right? But what I do tell them is, please go on the website. I'm going to take you through every process. The website is seamless, and some insist, and I try as much as possible to close that sale. So let's say out of, let's say 10 people that insist they want to pay via Momo, 8 end up buying on the website because I persuade them. And from the back end as well, I see people that have been on the website that is trying to check out. I try to call and be like, hi, this is Tare of Ladies and Scarves. I can see you try purchasing an item from us. Is there an issue with the checkout? What problem are you having? Da, 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 da. And sometimes they let me know, okay, this is a problem we're having. I'm not used to shopping on the website. Because I mentioned this some time ago that here in Ghana, people are not used to website. They aren't used to it, right? So you have to persuade them. It's not something that you make them feel like they're doing you a favor. No. Or you're doing them a favor. No, they're actually doing you a favor as well because you need your money. So I try to be persuasive to close a sale. So I'm doing call marketing, I'm doing text messages, I'm doing email marketing to push sales to my website. Because until I make that sale, my goal, hold on, let me take this off the screen. Yeah. Okay, so until that sale is done, my goal is not yet achieved. So yeah, basically, the website has taken stress off my shoulder. But let me quickly say this, because I got other people reaching out to me. Oh, who did your website? I want to also do a website. I want to do a website. Having an e-commerce website is not cheap. I'm not talking about a catalog. I'm not talking about those people that have catalog and then they still go to WhatsApp to place the order. No, that's not what I'm talking about. Having a website does not come cheap. An e-commerce website doesn't come cheap, right? If you are a small business owner, I don't like to use that word anymore. If you're a growing business owner that just started out, right? And you're here in Ghana or you're here in Nigeria or anywhere you are, look for free options first. Exhaust that option. Especially if you do not have enough capital to go around, exhaust the options you have first before you say, okay, I want to move fully e-commerce. So there was this lady that reached out to me. She saw petty items, right? And she said she wanted to also launch a website. And then I told her, this is the amount you should budget between this amount to that amount. And she was like, hey, that's too much. Oh. I said, it means your business hasn't gotten to this place. And another thing you should know, website doesn't bring sale. You have to drive sale onto the website. So sometimes people think, oh, as a business owner, now that you have website, you should be making more sale. No, you need to go and bring the sale from elsewhere to the website, right? Social media, Google ads, YouTube ads, wherever you want to run the ads to the website. So website doesn't bring sale. I try to explain this. And also, thank you all for your emails. I keep getting sweet emails. People reaching out to me to say thank you for all the content I've been putting out. Thank you too for watching. What else so far on the relaunch? The relaunch has been beautiful. It has been beautiful. Like me working without stress. I think that is what I will call it. It has been stress-free for me because in terms of responding to customers, if it was when I used to take manual orders, trust me, my work phone would have been blowing up with calls. People that just want to make inquiries, people that just want to know, like they keep calling, sending messages, even though when even though they're not ready to place their order yet. But right now, I have eliminated that process. I still get few calls here and there, few messages here and there, just for clarity, right? But I'm hoping that by the time we go deep into this year, it's not like the calls are not good, but I want to make sure that I eliminate every stress process. Now, instead of you calling, all you need to do is go on the website, you see what you like, you see all the available items. Instead of going back and forth, sharing pictures back and forth, it eliminates that process. And within 1 or 2 minutes, you have made your payment and then you just wait for your delivery. So I realized that things has become so stress-free. I'm way more productive. I literally just finished filming a content and I still have the strength to sit down here to create a YouTube video. If it was before now, in between when I'm creating this content, I get calls. And then I get tired, I get exhausted. Somebody's telling me, "Oh, what is happening?" Da, 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 da. But right now, I feel more energized. I feel more productive because things are now automated. I don't have to do manual chatting. I don't have to do a lot of things manually. So it has been really, really beautiful. And yes, I'm learning new ways to bring in more sales, even though we have gone fully on the website. So yes, my scarf business is doing well. The website is doing great. Also trying to see how I can incorporate international shipping, because I got a few emails of people that want to buy from me from here on YouTube, and I want to see how I can incorporate international shipping to it. However, anybody that wants to shop internationally, it can still be done, but I have to reach out to the person to arrange for DHL or UPS delivery to that country. But it has been a smooth process. I remember the first order that came in, I was like, oh my God. And lo and behold, it was one of my most amazing customer. She waited till midnight. She said, "Ladies and scarves, I know you will let the website go live by midnight. I waited till midnight to be the first person." And she was the first person to shop. Thank you so much. So yes, it has been beautiful. We are smashing our goals. Everything is going on smoothly for this relaunch. And yes, if anything, I'm going to come on here to share again with you guys. I think my next video will be new stock intake. I created one of those videos, but it didn't come out nice, so I couldn't share it on here. But whenever I have my next stock, it might be coming in tomorrow, I'm going to do an unboxing for you all. And please leave in the comment section the kind of content you want to see me create, or any questions you have. I'll do my best to create a video on it and come on here to share with each and every one of you. My name is Tare. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share with friends, and definitely I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.